Welcome to the country castle. It is Sunday and I didn't sleep well last night. Sophie was up till about 3 in the morning, but while she was awake, I was looking at recipes and I saw this recipe for this mozzarella rosemary stuffed pretzels, and that is what we're gonna make today. I'm really excited. It should be either really, really good or totally awful. But we're gonna try making them today. They just look so yummy and everyone loves a really good pretzel, and I haven't made pretzels in so long. So we're gonna do that today. Also today we are going to take family pictures. I actually had a local photographer that was supposed to take our pictures, but we couldn't get our schedules to line up. So we have decided that we're just gonna take our own. I'm gonna prop up my camera and we're gonna take family photos. I'm gonna bring you along on that today as well, but right now we're gonna get these pretzels cooking because we are hungry, the kids are hungry, and they are gonna be so yummy. So we'll try it out and see how they taste.
Today's recipe, I am actually using a yeast that's in my freezer for such a times as this when I didn't prepare my sourdough ahead of time. I do have a sourdough pretzel recipe that I've used in the past that I love, but today we are just getting this dough together and I was very surprised at how quick and easy this dough was. I am going to link the recipe in my description. It is not my own, so it will take you to someone else's blog and you can try this recipe out. I highly recommend it. It was such a fun twist on doing a pretzel. We also did a marinara sauce with ours just to have a little extra flavor so that we could dip it. I'm also doing something new with my video today. I am going to not commentate for the rest of the video because capturing my family today and all of the bustle and busyness of our home is such a treasure for me to just be able to let the video speak for itself, and just a reminder that the simple things in life are the ones worth capturing and sometimes are the ones that we miss, and I just never want to miss the little things, and so I hope that you enjoy.
It's too salty, but marinara is right on the stove. If you want to dip it, you don't have to. You're fancy kitty. Does that look like? Thank you. Use manners so that we don't spoil this plate and then you're not to. I tried one of my pretzels.
That's pretty good.
Sounds good. Maybe Dad can